Another special event for today's award function is the release and singing of the North Karnataka Coastal Anthem. This idea is actually the brainchild of our Honorable Postmaster General. For this, entries were called in from several divisions. Notable entries were received from Dharwad and Gulbarga divisions. The song written by Sri Satish Umesh Nadagaddi of Dharwad division is selected as one of the North Karnataka national anthem. Another notable song that was received from Gulbarga division is also given its due credence and will also be sung in later course of today's program. The song which is being played today is written by Sri Satish and the music is composed by Dr. Parimala Panchmukhi. May I tell something about both of these officials? Satish is an office assistant at the Dharwad divisional office. Along with being a postal assistant, he is more of a poet, a very thought-provoking poems he always writes. And the another official, the music is composed by Dr. Parimala Panchmukhi. Parimala Panchmukhi is a LSG official and she has completed her PhD in music after joining this department. The national anthem of North Karnataka region, as written by Sri Satish, will be sung in the Kalavati Rag, Savira Sadhane Shikaragalu. May I tell you something about this song? This song expresses the spirit of our successes. See, we may get many success, but we need not stop. We have to continue. We now yavaglu prayatna satata prayatna ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ದು ಉಸಿರು ಇರುವವರೆಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಚೆ ಸೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಚೆ ಜನರದ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. We have to protect the spirit, the confidence which the people have reposed in this India Post, and till our last breath we have to work for this department. This is the brief idea of this beautiful song. May I now request Dr. Parimala Panchmukhi and Sri Satish and their team to kindly sing the North Karnataka Postal Anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, this song is being sung for the first time on this occasion. Savira Sadhaneya Shikaragalu. Let's pause for a moment and remember those beautiful lines. ದೇಶದ ಉಸಿರವೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಚೆಯ ಹಾಡು. North Karnataka, a convergence of Sahyadri and plainlands. This is actually a Sangam of the Western Ghats and the plainlands, madam. Let's move with dedication, and in the breadth of your country is your new song. I thank Sri Satish for the beautiful words, Srimati Parimala Panchmukhi for the beautiful recitation, and her team. And last, not to forget, the two musicians, the tabla and the senior musicians. Thank you a lot, sir.
And this regional anthem, I think it's a great idea. You know, it's not, I will remember that signature word which you told me, that it's not jada ka vada, it is always vada se jada. No, it's a very small little sentence, but look at the power it carries, it conveys. So also the anthem. To the team which had composed the national anthem, a great job. Congratulations to you, Dr. Ma'am. And she's Satish, if I'm right? The name? A great job at that.